Assalamu alaikum. Today we shall start with Standard 8, Lesson number 1, Arrival of Europeans in India, Part 1. We have learnt in the previous standard that many years ago our country was one of the leading countries in the world. The first point is telling us that we have already known that how rich and how famous our country was in the ancient times. Next point, our country was distinct in the whole world. Our country was so famous and so rich that it was called Sone ki Chidiya. And it was famous like this in ancient times. The people of various countries were being influenced by our culture and prosperity. We were so famous for our cultural, social, economical and other prosperities. Many people worldwide were eager to enter into trade with our country and earn wealth out of it. We were so rich and so prosperous that other countries like Europeans and others, Portuguese, these were the people who were so eager, and the others also, to enter into our country and to do trade with us, means to do business with us and to earn very well. See the photo, our mother India, this is imaginated photo. You need to imagine like we were so prosperous and so rich, like this only. Earlier, the merchants from the various countries came to India from northwest by land route since Constantinople was conquered by Turk Muslims for the purpose of trading. Constantinople means Istanbul was the center for Turk Muslims through land route for trading. For years, the Arab traders undertook trade through land route, but as situation changed, trade through land route stopped. You can easily understand this point that there were land route also for trading, but somehow it stopped by Arab traders. And first you be clear that there were two routes, land route and sea route. Now here land route stopped, right? See. Consequently, the demand for Indian commodities like silk, see silk of different colors, how beautiful this was, cotton clothes, muslin, this of white color is muslin, black pepper, spices, etc. increased in the European countries. These like materials, other materials also were so famous of our Indians that in the whole world, this was so demanding. Silk, cotton clothes, muslin, black pepper, spices, etc. See how beautiful pictures are this. These were the things we were so much famous for. To take this advantage of this situation, many countries of Europe started searching for a sea route to India. Now you have got that land route is stopped. But Europeans were so crazy about these things of India. They couldn't live without these spices. So they have searched the sea route to India. Subsequently, some adventurous sailors of Europe and other countries started the search of sea route to come to India. As anyhow they wanted these things from our country, they just started to search the sea route to come to India to have these things. And so the Europe and other countries started the search of sea route to come to India. I hope you got the idea. Now other part we will see in next video. See the red mark is showing us the sea route to come to India. See, so many countries were coming to India for these things.